How does normal breathing occurs? Our chest generates a negative pressure, and that negative pressure sucks air from this environment, and the air goes inside our alveoli. But if a person is not able to generate negative pressure, then we connect to positive pressure ventilator, and the ventilator gives pressure and volume both. We have to manipulate pressure and volume separately. We can give high pressure, low volume. We can give low pressure, high volume. We can manipulate amount of positive pressure and amount of volume that is going inside of the lung separately. Our next discussion will be on these ventilator settings.